All right there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 13 of our January daily math. Number 1, write 3 numbers that are less than 900 but greater than 700. So, greater than 700, well, how about 701? Works, right? Less than 900, 899. And another number that's in between, less than 900 but greater than 700, how about 800? Let's go right in the middle of them. There you go. There could be a lot of numbers there. If you're not sure and you want to let me know, you want to ask me, feel free and we'll do that, okay? How many faces are on 4 cubes? So I think a cube is dice, right? So if you had 4 dice, how many total sides would you have? So if one die has 6 faces on it because it has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So 4 of them, you'd have 6 times 4 or 4 times 6. And that equals 24 faces. Okay? All right. And over here it says use these digits to make 3 different numbers. So we can do, well, let's do 629, 692, and 962. Okay? Now it's asking to order these numbers from the greatest to the least. So out of all these numbers, which one is the largest number? Well, 962 would be your largest. And then it's between 629 and 692. Well, 692 is greater than 629. So 692, and that leaves 629 last. All right, number 4 says mystery number. Take 6 groups of 6. Subtract 6, then divide by 6. What number am I? So first, let's think, what is 6 groups of 6? Well, 6 times 6 equals 36. Now we're going to subtract 6, and that equals 30. And then divide by 6, which equals 5. So what number am I? 5. Those are fun. I like those. All right, 50-meter penguin race. Penguins waddle when they walk. 4 penguins had a penguin race at the zoo. Which penguin waddled the fastest? Think about this before you answer. So which one walked the fastest? So this is time in seconds that it took to walk a 50-meter race. So this one took 30 seconds to walk 50 meters. This one took 25 seconds to walk 50 meters. So who walked faster? 30 seconds or 25 seconds? It's tricky, isn't it? So if it took me less time to get there, and we are both going the same exact place, we start in the same spot and we end in the same spot, but Rocky gets there faster than Belle, or sooner, it takes him less seconds, then Rocky would be walking the fastest. Okay? So which penguin waddled the fastest? Rocky walked the fastest. Okay, that's a tricky one. That's a tough problem there. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good job, though, working hard today. Nice work, okay? See you tomorrow.